Endearment cadets, by the grace of Almighty, all of you are well wherever you are with your family. I hope you stay home, stay safe, and stay fine. In the COVID-19 pandemic condition, Borishal Cadet College arranged online class. The class is going on, and all of you are welcome to today's online class. I am Mohammad Saiful Islam, lecturer of chemistry, Borishal Cadet College. The topic of the today's online class will be on chapter 2, chemistry first paper of class 11, and the name of the chapter qualitative chemistry. Dear cadets, look at the picture and think what will be the topic of this lecture today. Here, different suborbitals. So, today's topic is quantum numbers, rules of electronic configuration, and electron distribution process in different orbitals. At the end of this session, you will be able to describe different quantum numbers, subshell, energy levels, and the electron in different energy levels, to explain electron distribution according to rules, to apply and analyze the electronic configuration of elements. Today's discussion on quantum numbers, electron bearing capacity in different orbitals, sub-energy levels, rules of electron distribution, and questions on this discussion. Key terms of this session today: quantum, subshell, electron, orientation, magnetic, spin, and momentum. Quantum numbers and different orbitals. First topic. Here, quantum numbers, the numbers which are used for describe the electrons in different orbit. This is the quantized values, and by using this number, we can identify electron, where it exists, where the shape of orbitals, and how it is revolving. There are 4 quantum numbers on the basis of the electron, where it exists and where it is revolving and where its orientation. First on principal quantum number, it is defined by n. Second on secondary quantum number, it is defined by L. Third on magnetic quantum number, it is defined by M. And finally, fourth on spin quantum number, it is represented by using letter S. Principal quantum number, it is represented by N, and it is defined by Niels Bohr 1913. Based on the atomic observations of Niels Bohr, principal quantum number is defined where the outermost electrons are exist and revolving. Allowable values of principal quantum numbers integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Electrons with higher value of n gradually entering from lower value, and the electrons in the higher energy level have more energy. This is the principal quantum number where outermost electrons exist. Secondary quantum number, Michelson 1891 Different lines spectra are found from the original a single line. From that view, secondary quantum number exist. It refers by letter L. It is also named as azimuthal quantum number. Allowable value of L is 0 to n minus 1. N is the principal quantum number. For fourth energy level, value of n is 4, where the value of L will be 0, 1, 2, and 3. It represents the shapes of the orbital. The orbitals are S, P, D, and F. S, P, D, and F. Secondary quantum number represents the shape of the orbitals and its values are integer 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the secondary quantum number. Third one, a magnetic quantum number. It is represented by M. The idea is given by Sommerfeld and Debye, 1915. Zeeman give another effect. Single lines are split into different lines on the action of magnet. On the basis of this factor, magnetic quantum number are defined and it is represented by M. Here the value of M is minus L2 plus L. For the value of L equals to 2, here the magnetic quantum number will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Here the magnetic quantum number represents the orientation of the electrons in a specific orbit. Where the orbit is in x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, between x and y, yz and zx along different axes. These values represents the different axes of orbitals and orientation. Then finally, fourth quantum numbers. This is the spin quantum numbers, where represent the spin of the electrons. Here it is given by Pauli, 1925. S is the spin quantum number. Its value is minus half and plus half. It is represents the direction of electron. If it is one direction is represented by minus half, then another direction is represented by plus half. This is the orientation spin of electrons. Here, possible value of n, L, and m values, there are two possible spins. That is the direction of electrons. The opposite direction, this is minus half and plus half represents the opposite direction. If the unpaired electron, it is only one direction. If it is the paired electron in orbital, suborbital, in that case it is opposite direction. If the outermost energy level contain unpaired electron, it is weakly magnetic. If it is paired electron, it is diamagnetic. If it is unpaired electron, it show paramagnetic property. Electrons in quantum number, if the value of n is 2, that means second energy level, the possible value of L is 0, 1. Here the value of L minus 1, 0, and 1. That means 3 values. In every value there is 2 spin of electron. So In case of on s, 2 values, 2 electron. In case of 2s and 2p, there are 6 values. There are 2 spins, half and minus half of electrons. For every value of m, there are 2 electrons and opposite spin. So in second energy level, maximum electron bearing capacity 8, and it is represented by the different quantum numbers. Here electrons in second energy level, for first electron spin is half, that's one direction. In second electron there is another direction. Third electron for p orbital, this is for s orbital. For p orbital this is one direction. For p orbital this is another direction. Here fifth electron for p orbital, 6 electron and 7 electron for p orbital and 8 electron. Here there are 8 electrons in the second higher energy level, and different values are for principal quantum number 2, secondary quantum number 0, on. For magnetic quantum number, these are the values. These values are for s orbital and these values are for p orbital. And the spin quantum number, these are the direction of different electrons in second higher energy level. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 directions, 2 directions in different orbitals, and there are 8 electrons where exist in second highest energy level. So in second highest energy level, maximum electron bearing capacity 8, and this represents by using these 4 quantum numbers. Now there is a question for you. What is quantum number? The numbers which are used for represents the electron where exists, shape, orientation and spin is called quantum number. Spin quantum number, which represent the spin and direction of electron in orbital, is called spin quantum number. What is orbital? The dense space in an orbit where the possibility of finding electron maximum is called orbital. Now maximum electron bearing capacity in different orbital: for s orbital 2, for p orbital 6, for d orbital 10, and for f orbital 14. Here for first shell, s orbital contain 2 electrons and it has no deviation and differentiation. It has no also classification. For second shell, 2s 2p, this is the 2s orbital, it has no classification, but for 2p there are 3 directions and these are divided in x, y and z axis, 2px, 2py and 2pz. These 6 electron in 2p orbital again divided in these 3 subshells, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz2. For third energy level, here there is another orbital d included from second shell, and this d's orbitals again divided in 5 classes. These are dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square y square and dz square. These 18 electrons are divided in different subshell. S2 p6, these 6 electrons again divided in 3 suborbital. In d orbital contain 10 electrons. These 10 electrons again divided in 5 d subshells. In the case of fourth shell, 34 electrons are divided in s orbital 2, p6, d4, 10 and f14. By this way, different electrons are divided in different orbitals and suborbitals. Now, rules for electron distribution, Aufbau principle already we discussed, but there is a simple way how will you distribute electrons in different orbitals. It is defined by the value of principal quantum number and secondary quantum number. For 2s and 3s, the value of n plus L is 2, the value of n plus L is 3. So electron at first enter in 2s rather than 3s due to it contain lower energy and electron at first enter in this orbital. Here the value of different orbitals by considering n plus L, electron at first enter in lower energy level, and n is the principal quantum number, L is the secondary quantum number. For s orbital value of L is 2, for p orbital value of L is 1, for d orbital value of L is 2, and for f orbital value of L is 3. By combining the energy of n plus L, we define the total energy in an orbital, and electron at first enter in lower energy level. Here electron entering process 2s, 2p, at first 1s, then 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, then by this way electrons are entering. Already we discussed in the previous class. This is the diagram how can electrons are entering in different orbitals. Here at first electron entering 1s, then 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s. By this way electrons are entered in different orbital by considering the energy of orbital, calculating the energy by using formula n plus L. There is another rule. Within the same energy level is orbital on electron before pairing electrons. It is given by Hund's. At first electron singly entered in different suborbital, then electron paired. Here is the electronic configuration of vanadium 23, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, at first singly entered, then paired. 3s, at first singly entered, then paired. In the 3p, at first singly entered in different suborbital of p and then paired. In 4s, in case of 3d, there are 3 electrons. It is singly entered and direction is same. So by this way electrons enter in different orbital, at first singly filled, then paired. For Pauli exclusion principle, 2 electrons within the same orbital must have opposite spin. If their 3 values are same, principal quantum number, secondary quantum number, and magnetic quantum number, but spin quantum number must have different values. There are 2 spin, it is plus half or minus half. This is the indication of the direction of electron. Different suborbital divided in different way. For 1s there are no differentiation. For 2s there is no classification. For 2p there are 3 classes along 3 axes. This is the third shell contain 3 orbitals, and 3 orbitals are again divided in different suborbital along axis and between the axis. In case of fourth shell, these are the classification of different orbitals and suborbitals along axis and between the axis. And electrons at first enter in different suborbital singly, then electrons paired, and spin must be opposite. Here, this is the nitrogen. This is the nitrogen. Electron of nitrogen 7. So these 7 electrons are distributed first in 1s2 and 2s2 2p3. So for 1s, it has 2 value for magnetic quantum number, plus up, minus up. This is the highest energy level, 2s and 2p. It contains 5 electrons, and these 5 electrons have different quantum numbers and suborbitals. So you need to show the quantum numbers and electron distribution process in different suborbitals, and it shown, and you give me the feedback in the next class. Here, electronic configuration of phosphorus and chlorine, chromium, phosphorus 15, chromium 24, 15 electrons divided in different orbitals, suborbital, and chromium 24. This is the chromium. It shows exceptional electronic configuration. It contains d orbital, 3d5, and 4s on. This is the half filled. In case of phosphorus, these 15 electrons are divided in different way: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. So these electrons again distributed in different suborbital: 3p3, 3x on, 3 y on, and 3 z on. By this way, electrons are distributed in case of phosphorus. In case of chromium, 3d xy on, 3d yz on, 3d zx on, 3d x square y square on, 3d z square on. So practice it and write down on your khata. Dear cadets, different types of questions may be set from our discussion. Knowledge-based question: what is quantum number? We discussed the numbers by using, we can define electron. What is shell? Where electrons are exist? What is transition? Electron may transit from one energy level to another energy level. Second type question: quantum numbers of carbon. 6 electron divided in 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So you need to show the quantum numbers. Explain about orbital, where the maximum probability of finding electron. Different types of orbitals, s, p, and d. So you can define, you can answer this type of question using this knowledge. Third type question, application based question: draw a diagram for showing the quantum number of element x. What is x? It is n-1, d6, and ns2. This is the outermost electronic configuration. The value of n is 4. So you need to at first define the element. This is iron, and you need to answer the question. Finally, fourth type question, higher order question. It is application based, then also it is evaluation based. At first you apply the electronic configuration, then next you will evaluate and analyze how can you draw and write down it. So quantum number of element, this electrons, this in outermost energy level of iron atom, define and differentiate and classified in different suborbitals by using the rule n plus L and in suborbitals. So by this way you write down the answer of the question, then home task. What is spin? Show the energy of orbital, analyze the quantum numbers of A and B. There are two elements, one is A, another is B. This is the outermost electronic configuration, here N is the 4. So you need to at first define the elements and write down the answer of the question. Evaluate the properties of a STEM element with quantum numbers. This is the home task, you complete it. Dear cadets, if any query you asked me, I will solve your problem. Dear cadets, it is very crucial time we are passing, so you always maintain social distance and safety measures. Stay home, stay safe, and stay fine. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.